Root 2 and root 3 on the number line. Draw a line x bar x and mark a point O on the line x bar and x. Take any centimeters of your choice. I have taken 2 inches as 1 unit and name it as A. Draw a perpendicular line from A take 1 unit measurement from A. Draw an arc cutting the line A which is perpendicular to x bar and x. And this is 1 unit. We have taken the measurement of OA and we have cut the line. So this is 1 unit. And name it as B at this point. Then join OB. Take OB as radius. From B, draw an arc touching the line x bar x. So this is the root 2 on the line x bar x and OB is root 2. If we extend OB line, it goes on in this way. That is in this way it goes on. So keep the protractor on this line so that 90 degrees should be on the point B and take 90 degrees and draw a perpendicular line from B. Again take 1 unit measurement from B, cut an arc on the line B. So we have taken 1 unit and name it as C. Then join OC. Take OC as radius. From C, draw an arc touching the line x bar x and this is root 3 on the line x bar x and OC is root 3. Proof of root 2. OB is root 2. So OB is equals to, according to Pythagoras theorem, we are writing this formula. OA whole square plus AB whole square. OA is 1 unit. So 1 whole square plus AB is 1 unit. Again 1 whole square. 1 whole square is nothing but 1 plus again 1. OB is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. Proof of root 3. Root 3 is on the line OC. So OC is equals to square root of OB whole square. OB whole square plus BC whole square. BC whole square. OB is root 2. So root 2 whole square plus BC is 1. 1 whole square. OC is equals to square root, square get cancel, 2 plus 1 whole square is 1. OC is equals to root 3. Root 10 on the number line. Draw a line x bar x and mark a point O on the line x bar x. Take 3 units measurement. First unit, second unit, third unit. And name it as A. Draw a perpendicular line from A. This perpendicular line should be exactly 90 degrees. You can draw with the help of protractor. You may go wrong then. So take 1 unit measurement. I have divided 3 units into 3 units measurement into 1, 2, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So I have taken one part of it, and from A cut the perpendicular line A and name it as B. This is 1 unit. Then join OA. Take OB as radius. From B, draw an arc touching the line x bar x. So here is the required root 10 on the number line x bar x. OB is also root 10. Proof. OB root 10 is on OB. So OB is equals to square root of OA whole square plus AB whole square. OA is 3 units. 3 whole square plus AB is 1 unit. 1 whole square. 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 whole square is 1 into 1. So 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. OB is equals to root 10. Root 11 on the number line. Draw a line x bar x. Mark a point O on the line x bar x. Take 3 units measurement and name it as A, C. Leave this point and draw a perpendicular line with the help of protractor by taking 90 degrees. It should be exactly 90 degrees. OA is 1 unit. Take 1 unit measurement and from A draw an arc cutting the line A. Name it as B. So we have taken 1 unit measurement. Join OB. OB represents root 2. From C, take 90 degrees angle and draw a perpendicular line from C. From O to C is 3 units. O to A is 1 unit, this is the second unit, and here is the third unit. So OC is 3 units. And take OB as radius, OB measurement, and from C cut an arc on the perpendicular line and name it as D. We have taken root 2 measurement to cut the line. So this is CD is root 2 and join OD. Take OD as radius. From D, draw an arc touching the line x bar x. And this represents root 11 on the line x bar x. OD is root 11. OD is equals to, we have root 11 on OD line. So OD is equals to square root of OC whole square plus CD whole square. OC is 3 units. OD is equals to square root of 3 whole square plus CD is root 2. Root 2 whole square. 3 whole square is 9 plus square root, square get cancelled, 2. OD is equals to 9 plus 2 is 11. OD is equals to root 11.